Emma, look! There's a really nice cafe on this corner. Shall we go in?
Sure, from outside. That really looks nice. But let's take a look at the menu before going in.
Good idea. Look, there's a menu board outside.
There are so many types of coffee. All the names are so complicated.
It's actually very simple. Let me explain.
What's a latte?
A latte means espresso plus lots of milk. Very smooth and light.
And cappuccino?
Cappuccino is also espresso and milk, but it has thick foam on top.
They look very similar.
There's a difference. You'll understand once you try it. Let's go inside.
Wow, it's so warm in here and it smells amazing.
That's the fresh coffee smell. This cafe is very popular. It's packed every day.
The music is lovely too. Who do we call a barista?
The person who makes the coffee is called a barista.
What's that board in front of the counter?
The menu board. All the options are listed there.
Is there anything special today?
Look, it says today's special in the right corner. There's a hazelnut latte today.
Hazelnut.
It's a hazelnut latte. It'll be delicious. Look, there's a short queue. Our turn will come up soon.
Tom, I don't know what to say to the cashier. Ordering at cafes is so complicated.
Not at all. The steps are very simple. Let me explain.
Okay, what do I say first?
First, you say what you want. Then the cashier asks for the size.
Then,
Then they ask hot or cold, hot or iced.
and then,
They ask about the milk option, regular milk, oat milk, or almond milk.
is that it?
Nearly. They also ask if you want sugar or syrup.
Syrup?
Yes, like vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut. It adds extra flavor.
I see. Let's practice. Tom, I want to ask something while we're waiting in line. What's an espresso?
Espresso is a very small but very strong coffee. Just a few sips.
That little?
Yes, but very intense. It comes from Italy. It's the base of every coffee.
So both latte and cappuccino are made from espresso?
Absolutely. Both start with espresso. Then milk is added.
What's an Americano?
An Americano is espresso plus hot water. A very plain coffee.
I see.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure. Hot or iced?
Hot.
What milk would you like? We have whole milk, oat milk, and almond milk.
Oat milk, please.
Any syrups or sweeteners?
No, thank you. Just plain.
Got it. And for you?
Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Of course. What size? Small or medium?
Small, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Any sugar or syrup?
No, thank you.
Great. 2 drinks coming right up.
No worries. I get confused sometimes too.
Why do cafes use different names for sizes?
Some cafes say small, medium, large. Some say tall, grande, venti.
What does tall mean?
It's a fair question, but in cafes it's used for the small size. A bit confusing.
Why?
Starbucks invented it. Now lots of cafes use it.
I suppose I need to memorize these sizes.
Or you can just say small, medium, large. Everyone understands.
Tom, what's oat milk? You chose that.
It's oat milk. It's not made from dairy milk. It's made from oats.
Why didn't you get regular milk?
Oat milk goes really well with coffee. It turns out creamier.
And almond milk?
That's almond milk. It has a slight nutty taste. Very light.
Which is better for someone who's lactose intolerant?
Oat milk or almond milk? Both are dairy-free, meaning milk-free.
I'll try oat milk next time.
Do. It goes especially well with a latte.
Tom, what's an iced latte?
An iced latte? The same coffee but made with ice and cold milk.
Is it for summer days?
Mostly yes, but some people drink it in winter too.
I chose hot today. Did I make the right choice?
The weather is cool today. Hot is much better.
How is an iced latte made?
Ice, cold milk, espresso. In that order.
The espresso is hot. Doesn't the ice melt?
A little. That's why you need to drink it quickly.
I'll try an iced latte next time.
Definitely try it when summer comes.
You're doing great so far. By the way, hello everyone, I'm Daniel and I'm here to help you learn English the easy way. Did you notice the word syrup? Amy asked at the counter. Any syrups or sweeteners? It means, would you like any syrup or sweetener? A question you'll hear a lot at cafes: vanilla, caramel, hazelnut. These are the most common types of syrup. A small grammar note. Amy said, "What milk would you like?" "Would you like?" is a very polite question form. "Do you want?" is more direct and short. Both are correct, be tout terse. But "would you like?" is more polite. Cafe, restaurant, shop. You'll hear it everywhere. Would you like oat milk or regular milk? Would you like 1 pump or 2? Now this video question. Did the barista write Emma's name correctly on the cup? The answer is coming up very soon. Listen carefully. Even a single word is perfect. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. Ready? Let's continue.
Tom, the cashier asked about syrup. What syrups are there usually?
The most common ones are vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut.
Which is the most popular?
Vanilla is very popular. It goes really well with a latte.
How sweet is caramel?
Very sweet. Like sugar, but in liquid form.
I don't like things too sweet. Is vanilla lighter?
Yes, vanilla is lighter and more natural. Most people prefer it.
I'll try vanilla syrup next time.
Good choice, and you can say 1 pump or 2 pumps. It means less or more.
1 pump is less, 2 pumps is more. Makes sense.
Exactly.
That'll be $9.50 for both, please.
Card, please.
Go ahead and tap here.
Done. Do you have a loyalty card here?
Yes, we do. Would you like to sign up for one?
Emma, do you want a loyalty card? You collect points and earn a free coffee.
Really? Of course I do.
Great! You can sign up on our app.
Download the app. It's very easy.
Can I get a name for the order?
Tom.
Perfect. I'll call you when it's ready.
Thank you.
Tom, why did they ask for a name?
When the cafe is busy, there are multiple orders waiting. Writing the name keeps things from getting mixed up.
Ah, that makes sense. Will they write my name on the cup?
Usually, yes. Some cafes write it in the cup. Some call it out. It also depends on how busy the cafe is.
What if they spell my name wrong?
It happens a lot. There are so many funny photos of it online.
I'm going to take a photo too. I wonder what they'll write for Emma.
Maybe Ema, maybe Emma, maybe Amma. Anything's possible.
Tom, what's decaf? I saw it on the menu.
It means caffeine-free coffee. It has the taste of coffee, but no caffeine.
Why would someone want coffee without caffeine?
For those who want to drink it in the evening. Or for those who are mindful of their stomach.
Does it really taste like coffee?
Very similar, but true coffee lovers can tell the difference.
What's foam?
Foam. The white froth on a cappuccino. Milk that's been whipped very firmly.
And no foam?
It means without foam. For those who don't like foam.
I love foam. It's the best part of a cappuccino.
Me too. You can even ask for extra foam if you really want.
Tom, I want something to eat. Is there any food here?
Of course. Look, there's a pastry display over there. Lots of things.
Is there a croissant?
Yes, and there's muffin, brownie, and cheesecake too.
What's a muffin?
A small round cake, usually chocolate or fruit flavored.
A brownie?
A rich, dense chocolate cake. Very delicious.
They all look great. But I need to choose. I'll get a croissant.
Good choice. It goes really well with coffee. I'll get a brownie.
Okay, let's go back to the counter.
Tom, order ready.
Let's go. The coffees are ready.
Wow, they look so beautiful. There's a heart on top.
It's called latte art. Baristas make shapes with the milk.
Really? Is it an art?
Yes. Skilled baristas can make so many different shapes. Leaves, hearts, roses.
My cappuccino has foam too. It looks amazing.
Take a sip. How is it?
So delicious. Very creamy and warm.
That's what a cappuccino is like. From the very first sip, you understand why it's so popular.
Why haven't I tried this before? It's amazing.
You'll have it every day now. That's how it starts.
Tom, I'm going to open my laptop. I wonder what the Wi-Fi password is.
Ask the cashier. It's a very easy question.
Okay, let me go and ask.
Go ahead.
Excuse me, what's the Wi-Fi password?
It's on the board behind you. The password is Coffee Lover 2024.
Thank you.
Of course. Enjoy.
Tom, it was written on the board. I didn't see it.
It's best to look before asking. But asking was good practice too.
Yes. And Amy was so kind. No trouble at all.
Staff at cafes are always ready to help.
I'm connected. Very fast.
Emma, I want to get something else. This time, you order on your own.
Me? On my own?
Yes. You're ready now. Just say, "Can I get a..."
Let me go.
Hi again. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a small vanilla latte, please? Hot.
Sure. Oat milk or regular milk?
Oat milk, please.
1 pump of vanilla or 2?
1 pump, please.
E-name?
Emma.
That's $5.50.
Card, please.
Done.
Bravo, Emma! That was perfect.
Thank you. It was so much easier than I thought.
And you chose oat milk and 1 pump of vanilla.
Yes. I remembered the steps. Can I get size, hot or iced, milk, syrup?
Exactly. And they asked for your name, and you gave it.
They wrote it straight away when I said Emma. I wonder if they spelled it right.
You'll see soon.
I hope they spelled it correctly. I'm going to take a photo.
And you already knew the word pump. I didn't teach you that.
I saw it on the menu. It said 1 pump, 2 pumps.
You're very observant. That's a really important quality.
Emma, your vanilla latte is ready.
Here it is. And they spelled it right. Emma.
See? Ha ha.
Let me take a sip. So lovely. Did I say hazelnut?
No, you said vanilla.
Yes, vanilla. Such a light and pleasant taste. I can taste the milk too.
That's oat milk. Very creamy but light.
I've found my favorite coffee now. Vanilla oat milk latte.
You could try caramel next time too.
No, this is perfect. I'm not changing it.
Tom, every coffee lover starts like this. They find a favorite.
You're right. This is my coffee now.
Emma, let's go over everything you learned today.
Okay, First, I say what I want. Latte, cappuccino, Americano.
Then,
I say the size, small, medium, or large.
then,
Hot or iced, hot or cold.
carry on,
I choose the milk, regular, oat milk or almond milk.
and then,
If I want syrup, I say so. Vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut.
and finally,
I pay and give my name.
perfect. You've memorized every step.
And if I don't understand something,
You say, sorry, could you say that again? That's all there is to it.
Tom, what a great afternoon.
Yes, we had coffee and we learned.
And Emma ordered in English all by herself for the first time.
And she found her vanilla oat milk latte. Life will never be the same.
Yes, it really won't. I should try decaf next time.
Why decaf?
I want to drink coffee in the evenings, but I can't sleep.
Then decaf is perfect. Same taste, no caffeine.
And maybe I'll try an iced vanilla latte in summer.
You're going to work your way through the whole menu.
But for now, vanilla oat milk latte is my favorite.
Deal. Next time I'll try a flat white too.
Perfect idea. Let's go. What a lovely day.
I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and learned some new English words. Before we finish, let's quickly go over 3 key words from today's story. First word, latte. It means espresso plus lots of milk. One of the most popular types of coffee, very smooth and creamy. Emma chose a vanilla latte today, and it became her favorite coffee. Second word, oat milk. It's not made from dairy milk. It's made from oats. Dairy-free, meaning milk-free. It goes really well with coffee. Emma tried oat milk for the first time today and loved it. Third word, latte art. The shape a barista makes on top of the coffee with milk, like a heart, a leaf, or a rose. Amy made a heart on Tom's latte. It's an art, and skilled baristas can make many different shapes. Now let's come back to our question. Did the barista write Emma's name correctly on the cup? Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments. I read every one. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.